This is Matt, and this will be a quick, straightforward video on how to convert from euros to British pounds online. So I like to use this Wise currency converter. You can see it's right here with the URL that I've got on the screen right here. It is of course quite a long URL, so I'll put that in the video description, that URL, so you can just click that link and you will find yourself on this page. So euros to British pound sterling, by default currently 1,000 euros is coming in at £866.25 in British pound sterling, I should say. Don't know what I was trying to do there. I was trying to say GBP. So you can of course enter anything you want in here. You can put decimal points as well, of course. So currently 1,675 euros 46 is currently £1,451.37. So you can put any values in here. You get the quick currency conversion. You can use Wise to send money, and you can sign in, but you don't have to be signed in to use this tool. It's completely free. You can use it anywhere in the world, whether you're on cell phone, mobile, desktop, tablet, wherever you are. You can also click the drop down. You can have all these different currencies right here. I think they've got pretty much every world currency, I think, and you can use the search bar as well, and the same down here as well. So you can set what you're going to convert from and what you're going to convert to. And hopefully you found this video on how to convert from euros to British pound sterling useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.